What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Stratical Dubs. Today we're putting a shifter in the 64, so let's get it going. Alright, so currently this is a stock shifter. This is a shifter out of a later Beetle. Actually came out of my car. Little T-handle. So this car does have a quick shift kit in it, so the throws are terrible. So there's first, there's second, third, and fourth, and you got reverse. So, but we got this one. It's like a imitation of a bird shifter. So we're gonna try it and see how it does. I mean, it's meant to be a shorter throw, and plus with a quick shift kit, it should be a good bit shorter. So we're gonna try it out and see how it works. Alrighty, so we are getting ready to remove the shifter. Always make sure it's in neutral before you remove a shifter. That way you're not trying to get it into a gear when you put it in. This one moves. So then, there you can see the quick shift kit base. This car had a quick shift in it. So, I don't think this one will take the spring. So let's see. Might be too short, actually. There we go. So I figured out the stock shifter had a quick shift under it, and since this is just an aftermarket shifter, you can't use the quick shift with it. That's my Allen wrench. So I'm not gonna get these fully tight. I'm just kind of getting them to where it'll hold, and then I can align it, make sure we can get all the gears before we lock it down. All right. So I don't know if that'll be totally right. Okay, I need to bring the lock down more before I start adjusting. Alright, I'm gonna do some adjustments and I'll come back to y'all. And let's go into all the gears. First, second, third, fourth, and then reverse. Alright, let's get it cleaned up and then go for a drive. Alright, we're getting ready to go on a test drive. First and second good so far. I'll get out on a street. You can get before. So there's more. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. We got the shifter installed. It looks pretty good. So if you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share it. Follow the Instagram, that'll be linked in the description, and have a good day.